In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit product prices in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your changes with confidence. First, open Pipedrive and look to the left-hand sidebar. Find the 3 dots icon, often labeled as the More menu. Click it to reveal additional features that aren't shown by default. From that menu, select Products. This opens your product catalog, where all your items and their current prices live. Next, click on the specific product you want to update. This takes you to the product's detail page. Here, you'll see the price table, which may show a single price or multiple rows if you use different currencies or variations. Take a second to confirm you're looking at the correct row, especially if your account uses more than one currency or tier. Accuracy here helps prevent mistakes later. Now, hover your mouse over the price you want to change. As you do, a small pen or pencil icon appears. Click that pen icon to enter edit mode for that price. You'll see the price field become active and ready for input. Type in the new price carefully, making sure you keep the correct format and currency. If your team tracks taxes separately, focus on the base price only and let your existing settings handle the rest. When you're satisfied, click the check button to confirm and save your changes. If you change your mind mid-edit, you can cancel instead of saving, but once you hit the check mark, the update is applied immediately. You don't need to navigate anywhere else. Pipedrive will store your new price right on the product. A quick tip: after saving, give the page a glance to verify the updated number appears exactly as intended. If your organization uses multiple currencies, ensure you edited the correct one. Also, keep in mind that updating a product's price changes what you'll see when adding that product to new deals and quotes. Prices that were already added to existing deals typically remain as they were at the time you added the product, so your current negotiations stay consistent. That's all there is to it. Click the 3 dots on the left bar, choose Products, open the product you want, hover over its price to reveal the pen icon, make your change, and hit the check button to confirm. Simple, quick, and accurate. If you follow these steps each time, you'll keep your catalog current and your sales team aligned with the latest pricing. Thanks for watching, and happy updating in Pipedrive.